Welcome to the Resolution of the Mind, also known as TROM on YouTube. For those of you unfamiliar with TROM and how it works, I'll fill you in quickly. TROM aims to relieve you of your past traumas and upsets through a system of viewing the past and present simultaneously, then restoring your mental balance with a visualization exercise. This results in a happier, clearer thinking individual that's more in tune with the moment, rather than deeply affected by their past. TROM also teaches you about how conflicts, your misdeeds, and the misdeeds of others get stored in the mind and wind you up in replaying those same conflicts with yourself and others later in life, whether you are aware you are doing this or not. TROM techniques aim to end such inner conflict so you can be more purposeful and productive in your current life, and have a more positive outlook on the future. You'll discover that time is an illusion, and the past is still there and you can still perceive it and even do something about it. You'll understand how your intentions and the intentions of others influence your thinking and your actions. But most importantly, you'll understand how you're now playing games you don't know how to end, much less win, how this affects your well-being, and exactly what to do about this situation nearly every human on Earth is involved in. TROM, as originally written by Dennis Stevens, is difficult studying. That's why we've taken it upon ourselves to explain the fundamental principles of the subject on this channel so that anyone who is of at least average intelligence, with a high school education, and has the courage to resolve their mental and spiritual condition on their own can not only learn the subject, but will be able to perform the basic TROM exercises that lead to resolving their mind and increasing their spiritual freedom. For those of you already involved with TROM, our aim is to accurately relay Dennis Stevens' teachings in a language the masses can understand, not to improve upon the subject or invent new techniques. We teach TROM and leave our opinions out of it. We are not some new religious cult looking for new members. We aren't some self-help group looking to sell people on courses, retreats, or expensive life coaching. TROM is done by oneself. No organization, minister, or therapist is required. We don't tell you how to live your life, what religion to follow, or who you can or cannot associate with. We only tell you how to do TROM exercises, and all the material presented on this channel is 100% free. And though we're all about resolving the mind, that doesn't mean you have to be traumatized or mentally ill to benefit from it. Nearly all of us at one time or another have lingering thoughts we'd wish would go away. We have regrets, losses, nothing anyone would see a psychologist over. But unlike the psychologist, psychiatrist, or the minister, we aim towards taking you above normal, onward to happy, and eventually to free. So what are you waiting for? Like and subscribe. Then watch our video on how to do TROM Level 1 and you'll be on your way to a happier, more purposeful life and a greater understanding of yourself and others through your efforts.